Hello guys, this is my YouTube channel Car Adventure TM. So today I am going to review the competitor of the Kia Seltos and Hyundai Creta, which is the Nissan Kicks. So the length of this car is 4384 mm, width is 1813 mm, height is 1669 mm. The engine you are seeing on your screen is a petrol engine which produces 154 bhp, 5500 rpm, and the maximum torque output of this engine is 254 Newton meter on 1600 rpm. The mileage that company claims is of 15.8 kmpl, and it gets an automatic climate control, all 4 power windows, central locking is keyless, seat upholstery is of fabric, and the variant you are seeing, it gets a leather upholstery. Front and rear tire size the same, which is 215 /60 R17, and the seat upholstery is of fabric, not of leather. You get 2 airbags, middle rear headrest, seat belt warning. These are the safety features, and more are ABS with EBD, brake assist, electronic stability control, hill hold control, traction control system, engine immobilizer, central locking, speed sensing door lock, child safety lock. And as you can see, this is the wheel arch of this Nissan Kicks. As you can see, it is greater than its tire and wider. These are the 17-inch alloy wheels, which are machine cut alloy wheels, you can say. And if we talk about comfort and convenience, this car offers automatic climate control, rear AC vents behind the armrest and on pillars, with heater, vanity mirror on sun visor, co-driver and driver both, cabin boot access, parking assist is of reverse camera, parking sensors at the rear, cruise control is also available, headlight off and ignition key off reminder, keyless start, steering adjustment only tilt, not telescopic, 12-volt power outlets, one at the front and one at the rear. And as you can see how cool the roof rails look of this car, as you can see on your screen. And if we talk about the telematics, you get remote AC on and off, geofence, over the air updates, check vehicle status through app, emergency call, find my car. These are the features you can check, access by a app installed in your phone. And if we talk about the seat adjustment and the seat upholstery, you get 6-way manually adjustable co-passenger seat and 8-way manually adjustable driver side seat. Rear row seat adjustment is of 2-way manually, and seat upholstery is of fabric, leather wrapped steering wheel, leather wrapped gear knob, driver armrest is also available, but you cannot open the driver armrest, so there is no storage under the driver armrest. This is the boot space of the car, which is of 400 liters. Interior is of single tone, which is black. Rear armrest with 2 cup holders, folding rear seat full, front seat pockets are also available, headrest front and rear both. And if we talk about the storage space, you get front and rear 2 cup holders at each. Driver armrest storage is also there, cooled glove box, power windows for all, one touch up and one touch down only for the driver, adjustable ORVM, turn indicators on ORVM, rear defogger, rear wiper, exterior door handles are body colored, Boot lid opener, electric tailgate release. Outside rear view mirror are also body colored. And you get roof rails in this car, roof mounted antenna, which is obviously a shark fin antenna. Body colored bumpers. Body kit cladding is of black and grey both. Rub strips, chrome inserts are also given on that. And if we talk about the lighting setup of this car, you get daytime running lights which are LED, fog lights halogen, headlights are LED in this car, tail lights are halogen, cable lamps front and rear both which are yellow bulbs. Headlight height adjuster is also available, glove box lamp, rear reading lamp is also available. And if we talk about the instrumentation, you get instrument cluster analog plus digital. It shows 2 electronic trips and also shows average fuel consumption, distance to empty, clock which is digital, low fuel level warning, door ajar warning, adjustable cluster brightness, gear indicator, tachometer and many more. And if we talk about the entertainment system of this car, you get smart connectivity of Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, integrated music system, and it is a touch screen display with GPS navigation system. And this car gets 6 speakers, and the touch screen system gets the capability of USB, aux, Bluetooth, MP3 playback, FM radio, iPad, iPod capability, steering mounted controls and voice command. And if we talk about the manufacturing warranty, the Nissan offers on its kicks is of 2 years and 50,000 kilometers. And if we talk about the engine and transmission of this car, you get 1330 cc 4-cylinder inline 4-valve cylinder DOHC engine, which is 1.3 HR13 DTD engine, and the mileage that company claims is of 15.8 kmpl, and on the full fuel tank you can go up to 790 km. And the driving train is the front wheel drive, and the transmission you are seeing is a manual gearbox, and in automatic you get 6 gears CVT, which is manual override. And if we talk about it is a turbocharged or not a turbocharged engine, it is a 1.3 liter turbocharged engine. The emission norms this car stand now with is BS6, which is Bharat State 6. You also get engine start stop function with to start the car or switch off the car. The wheelbase of the car is 2673 mm, ground clearance is of 210 mm, and the boot space is of 400 liters and fuel tank capacity of 50 liters. Front suspension is of MacPherson stud with coil spring, stabilizer bar and dual acting shock absorber. Rear is of torsion beam with coil spring and dual acting shock absorber. You get front disc and rear drum brakes on this car. The minimum turning radius is of 5.2 meters. You get alloy wheels in this car, and the spare wheel is a steel wheel. The colors Nissan offers on this kicks is deep blue pearl, night shade, blade silver, fire red, bronze grey, pearl white. These are the colors offered on this kicks. And the variant you are seeing is priced on 14.15 lakh, which is an ex-showroom price, and the base variant comes with 9.50 lakh rupees, which is a minimum price for a SUV. So that's for this video, and if you like my video, share it with your friends and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, see you, bye bye, and see you in the next video. And I hope you will love my videos, and I will give my best on YouTube. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.